that looking good?
Because we use C10 Motorsports Quick Detailer.
Let me see. C10 Motorsports Quick Detail Spray. Mia, where can they buy this spray at?
C10motorsports.com.
C10motorsports.com. You guys heard it. Looks good, girls. Good job. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about gas tanks. So anytime you are modifying or restoring a 67 to 72 C10, one of the first things most people do is relocate that old gas tank from behind the seat to the back of the bed of the C10. So today I'm going to go over the Boyd fuel cell and how it's installed. This is the Boyd fuel cell. It is 19 gallons. As you can see, it is tucked up really nice. One of the main questions people have is how low does it sit? As you can see, my rear end sits lower than the fuel cell. It sits up nice and tight. So it's tucked up nicely. This one does have an Aeromotive 340 pump in it. You can get them with or without it. You can also get them where the filler necks are coming straight up in the center. Mine are coming off to the side right here. I'll explain the reason why here in a bit, but let's talk about the installation on it. For the installation, when you're bolting this tank to the frame, you have a few different options. You can tap the frame where you thread your bolt into the frame. You can drill a hole through the frame and put a nut on the back side, or you can do what I did here and purchase these brackets from Boyd's website. You bolt these brackets to the frame and then you bolt your tank to the brackets. I chose this option so I don't have to fight trying to get a nut on the back side here. I don't have to worry about not having enough threads on my frame. I think it's a really nice, clean design. You could, I guess, tack weld the bracket to the frame if you wanted, or even, I guess, if you did the nut option, you could tack the nuts to the frame, but I like this option. It's nice, it's clean. I can uninstall, reinstall the tank within minutes, and it's not a pain in the butt. As you guys probably already know, anytime you have aluminum going on metal, you want to put a rubber in between. You never want aluminum sitting on metal, so make sure you install the little rubber seal that they give you in between the frame and the gas tank. It's a super clean install. It's easy. 6 bolts, drop the tank within a few minutes. I like it. Now let's talk about why I have the side filler neck. This truck, I'm all about the little details. As I said earlier, when it comes to the gas tank, you have 2 options for the filler neck. You have the filler neck that's in the center of the tank, or you have the filler neck that's off to the side like I have on my tank. The center of the tank is for in the back of the bed when you have the filler neck somewhere in the center of the bed. The side filler neck is for what I have right here. So you have my taillight right here. Press it, opens up. There's the gas cap. Press the gas cap, and there's your filler. Super clean. I love this design. There is quite a bit of work. So this is what behind your taillight looks like when you first take it off. So you have to cut out all of this inside there and fit that box in right there. So it takes a little bit of work, but if you're like me, attention to detail, to me, that is a lot cleaner than just having a normal filler neck in the center of the bed. These taillight filler kits, they can be purchased online. I don't remember the company I got this one from, but you can search 67 to 72 taillight filler kits and you'll find them. So super clean, I like it. But that's why I chose the side mount, because as you can see, boom, comes out right there and will line up directly with my tank. So super, super clean. That's gonna be it on the Boyd fuel cell, guys. If you're on the fence about purchasing one, I hope this video helps. I'm not sponsored by Boyd yet, Boyd, if you see this video, hook your boy up. I could use some products, but I'm not sponsored by Boyd. I think it's a high quality product, well worth the money. Until next time, guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace.